Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Ngine video leseculator kulapha tinkundleni tokuxhumana ayabhodi nel traffic cop laphana ibhoda kwazela leliya traffic cop ngemva kokuthi sho ukuthi bammise bafuna kumbhala lethikithi. Nakuya guys siyambona bamvulele lefastero laphana uyayikhipha imali uyayiphosa uyatihambela njengoba vele nje kuyacaca ukuthi umnika imali cold drink. So someone took that video wayifaka lapha etinkundleni tokuxhumana leshiye tinkulumo letiningi laphana kubo TikTok. Labanye bathi lokho ukuthi ashuthi video lo muntu oshuthi video be wrong ukuthi utawuqoshisa leli traffic cop emsebentini. Labanye bebathi wende kahle kufanele kubonakale ukuthi kahle le ma traffic cop la South Africa vele ahlezi atithathele cold drink. Bayakumisa nje bakumisela indolo incane bathembise ukubhala just because bafuna ukuthi uthenge cold drink. Usengibo December ayahustlisha ama traffic cop ashaya ama side hustle. So yabona la South Africa with social media amafoni la shoot ama video, you should really be careful letindolo tendako because you think ukuthi anibonwa kani bantu bayanibona mangala utibona so trend lapha etinkundleni tokuxhumana ukuthi njani njani phela iyanonga umsebenzi because bufuna bakugwazele probably loyana nge-50 rand angeke size sadi. But anyway, let's hope le video ngeke imfake enkingeni lo sisi with traffic cop. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.